how do I find campsites, and I use an Android app, and I'm going to try to show you how that works. First of all, starting out, I'm using a typical phone. I don't have a phone carrier. I don't have cell phone coverage or data. I just use it as if it were a device that attaches to Wi-Fi. So Allstays, that's this one here. Not sure if you can even see that. There's a kind of a problem with Allstays, and that is no offline mapping. So here's the thing. These are campgrounds in my area, and but there's no way for me to know, where they are. This little dot is me. So that little dot with the blue in the center, that's me. But there's a way around this. First of all, you can look at things that are close. So show details for Forest Palm Canyon, dispersed Kofa National Wildlife Refuge, 11.4 miles. And here's a description. And at the bottom, there's a GPS coordinate. Description free all year, 10 sites, no RVs, all ages, tents only. So the key is I write down the GPS coordinates because I can't use directions on Allstays. I could just, there's the button, directions. I can't use that because I don't have a data plan. So let's go back. I've written that down. There's another way to use it that, in my situation, there's lookup. Up in the corner here, lookup. Choose your state. I'm going to choose Arizona. Now, manual lookup, I'm going to go all types. Now it gives you a list of cities. And I'm just going to use Ajo here as an example. So they show Elk Lodge where you can stay if you're in Elk, Forest. These are typically either free or long-term. Then independent are RV parks, national park, that may be a campground, a paid campground. Public lands, those are typically BLM free for 14 days. So that's another way to do it. If you're going to go somewhere, click on the location and see if you can find something close. So what I do, I write down the coordinates, and then I go to Osmand, O-S-M-A-N-D, and Osmand is a offline mapping software. It gives you turn-by-turn directions, and I mark my camps. There's my Ehrenberg camp. Going to be camping in Quartzsite there, and we are down here in the Kofa Wildlife Refuge right now. So we're right here. So that has been working very well. I also use Allstays to find Walmarts where we can either camp or shop. I also have maps. I also talk to people, ask people, and I also find information on blogs. Those are the places that I get information on where I'm camping in.